Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 5th Maths exercise 5.1. So let us see what are the questions. So see students, question number 1. Write, or question number A. Write the decimal for the colored part. Write in words. Here in question number A, we have to write the decimal part and then we have to write that decimal in the words. Okay, so in words, as I have told you in first part of chapter number 5, that how to read the decimal numbers, how to write the decimal numbers. So according to that place value of the decimal numbers, we will put here the values. So see here, see students, this is the first box and here it is a complete box. Only one box is there, so we will write 1. After 1, this is the second box, so we will put a decimal. Then see students, here the box is divided into 10 parts. Okay, 10 parts is there, as after decimal we are writing tens. Yes, TENTHS. So out of 10, 1 and 2, only 2 parts are colored. So we will write here 2. So what we will read? 1.2. So that same thing we will write here. 1.2. Okay, so in this way we can write the decimal from by watching the figure. Now the second picture is given, 2 boxes are full, so we will write here 2, then point. As the next one, see students, this is a complete box. It is again divided into 10 parts, and out of that 10 parts only 1, 2, 3 is left, means 7 parts are colored. So we will write here 7. So what is this? 2.7. Okay, so 2.7, we will write that number name, or we can write that in words. 2.7. Okay students, so only 2 questions are there in A. So in this way you can solve question number A. So now moving to question number B. Write each of the decimal in figures. Here the decimal is given in number name like this, and we have to write the decimal of that. Means here we have to write their figures. So see students, 0.2. So simply it is written already 0.2. This is the figure of this word. Now 7 tenths. So as I told you students, for example 1.7 is there, means 1 is the first whole number part, this is the decimal part, and 7 after decimal, this is the tens place. Yes, this is the tens place. If I am writing 2 here, so this will be, this is tens place, this will be hundreds place. HUNDREDTHS, and so on. If you move forward after decimal, this is tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs, like that. And here see students, before decimal, as we are knowing generally what we are reading here, ones, then for example 2 is there, 5 is there, so this will be ones, this is tens, and this is hundred. This I had explained you in first part of chapter number 5. This is the second part, second video. So it is 7 tenths. 7 tenths means here it is 7. So if I am writing after 0.7 simply, so before decimal we can put here 0 because nothing is given. So we will write 0.7. Once again I am telling why we are writing here 0.7, because students it is 7 tenths. Tenths means first digit after decimal. This is the first digit after decimal. It is tenths place. Which place? Tenths place. So as it is tenths place, so 0.7 is there. So before point we can put one digit, that is 0. So that's why we have written 0.7. Okay. So now I think this is clear to you. Okay. Now moving to sixth number. 2 and 1 tenths. So simply students we will write 2, and means we have to put a dot. As I have told you that 2 types of reading the decimal numbers or writing the decimal numbers. And means here, and means point. This is 2 and 2.1 tenths. 1 tenths means 1 in the tens place, means 2.1 is the students, moving to question number C. Here the scale is given and some help box is given below the scale in your book. You can see exercise 5.1. Here we have to see which numbers, which decimals will come in these all boxes after watching the help box. But help box I have not made. You can see your book and here we have to see which decimal numbers will come. So see students, here 0. Moving to 0 to 1, here 10 lines will be there. Means 9 lines will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this will be the 10th line. Okay. So like this, after each number as we are watching here, 9 lines are in between, 10th line is the next digit. Okay. So here 0. 0 is there. Starting as you know very well, you can see your scale that 0 is there, then 1 and 2. So this is 0 first. And we will put point because after 0, 1 is here, 2 is here, 3, 4, 5 and so on. I have made only half scale. Okay. So see students, 0 point. Point because in between if the number is coming we will put point. And if directly it is 1, 2, 3, this will be as whole number. So now we have put point. So now students here after 0, 1, 2. This is 2, so 0.2. Clear to you? Now moving to next. This is denoting which number. So 1 is there. Before that, one whole number is there. This is 1. So we will write 1 point. Now we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 0.4. Means 1.4. Now this box is after 2. No box is there. After 3, one box is there and this answer is already given. So after 3 it is there. So 3 we will write first point. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the fifth line. So 3.5. Okay. Now after 4 this box is there. So we will put 4. We will put point. Now see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the bigger line. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6, 7, 8. 8th one is marked here. So 4.8. In the same way students, complete scale is given. More boxes are given. You can fill according to this. I hope you have understood. Now moving to question number D. Question number D is write the next 3 decimal. It is very easy for you students as you have solved in previous classes. The what? Some blanks are given and according to the blanks, according to the previous number you have to fill the next blank. That means like patterns. Patterns you have understood. The patterns were very easy for you. So that same pattern you have to follow here. See students. So 1, 0.5, then 0.6. Means after 5, 6 is there but 0 point will be same. 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, then 0.8, 0.9, then 10 is there. But see students, after one decimal from right side will count. After one decimal, the point is there. So after one decimal, we will put point. So this will become 1.0 because 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 already given. 0.8, 0.9, 1.0. It will not be 10.0. Why students? Because this one, if you are writing 0.9 and if I am writing 10.0, so point after point 9 is there, here after point 10 is there. So this will be wrong. Why? Because after decimal only one point is there and here after decimal we have put here 2 points. So this will be wrong. This is not the right answer. The correct answer will be 10.0 when it is 9.0. Okay, if 9.0 will be there, then next digit we will write 10.0. Clear to you? This is the basic thing. Please remember, if 0.99 is there, you have to write 1.0, and if 9.0 is there, then you will write 10.0. Okay? So in this way you can solve. Now question number 4. 4.4, 4.5, 4.6 means 4 point is common and the next digits are increasing by 1. So after 4.6, 4.7, 4.8 and 4.9. So students, in this way question number 2 and 3 is also given. You can solve according to this. And 5.1. So students, after watching this video, you have have to solve your exercise 5.1. Thank you for watching.